Hi everyone, this is the Truth Teacher Services website, and we built it with one thing in mind, to allow schools and teachers to really get to know one another. And we do it mainly with video profiles, because the number one concern amongst teachers thinking of going abroad, as well as schools thinking of hiring from abroad, is just not understanding the people that they're going to be working with. So, you can actually go on the website and go directly to our school list. Go to For Teachers and search school list. And you can see all of the schools that we work with. There's a test one right there. We'll get rid of that. But if you click on any of these school profiles, you'll see that we do extensive information gathering with each school. We ask the manager of the school to sit down, do an introduction video, the teachers at the school to do videos about the teaching, the schedule, a tour of the school itself, a discussion of the neighborhood, lots of pictures about the school, tons of text information on things you'd like to know about, like daily schedule, salary, housing, health insurance, anything that you would want to know, we ask the school, because we've been in your shoes and we understand that knowledge is important to making very big decisions like this. On the flip side, you also have to show yourself to the schools. So we do this with video profiles of our teachers as well. Here's some of our teachers in our list, and you can see that for each teacher we also ask you for, a good number of pictures as well as 2 videos and a little writing at the bottom. So the first thing that you need to do, if you're interested in any of the schools that we work with, or you're just interested in the opportunity to go to China or Korea to teach, is to sign up. Go to the Apply Now on the website, create a profile, and then we're going to be in touch with you to create these 2 profile videos for you. It'll be about a 10 or 15-minute online discussion during which we go over questions that we send you beforehand to talk about yourself as well as your teaching values, experience, philosophies, things like that. So we hope to see you on the website, and we really like working with people who show a genuine interest in education and living abroad. If that's you, really, don't be shy to contact us and introduce yourself.